What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this Cheetah King high speed 1/18 scale 2.4 GHz high speed racing RC car. Come in a range of multiple colors and types and suitable for age 6 and plus. Also come with the 2 power option. The one which we have is with the battery and the remote control with 2 AA batteries, which are not included in the package. Now, as usual, to start with, first we're going to see what comes with this RC car, following with the demonstration. Then by the end of the video you will have an idea that is this product for you or for your loved ones or not. So let's get into that. So here we have everything which come with this car, starting with the user manual, which is multi-language supporting and give you each and every information you wanted to know about this RC car. On 4.8 500 mAh battery pack for your car and USB charger for it. One 2.4 GHz remote control, where in the front you have an acceleration and reverse button, as well as the steering for left as well as right. Now if you're right hand or the left hand, you can also change it. This feature is also available too by just simply removing the steering and putting it onto the other side. But once you've done this, you need to make sure that which steering are you going to use, left side or right side. Select it. Then on the top of it you also got the on and off button for this remote control. So now if you are left-handed, you can hold this remote in your left hand or right hand, whatever you think of it. You can straight away start to use it, no problem. Remote control takes 2 AA batteries which are not included in the package, so the pound little run would be fantastic. Now in last but not least, we have our 1/8 scale Cheetah King RC car, which from the first look of it is fantastic. It's blue color, looks awesome. It also comes with a protection layer on top of the car body itself, which is also removable too. Now all the suspensions are individual, which will give you the great control on different terrains. And the chassis of the car, starting with, we have a steering trim to adjust if this car is diverting to left or right so much. Then you have on and off button, starting with the battery compartment, where you're going to install your 4.8 volt battery once charged. Now this high speed RC car is a rear wheel drive and without any differential gear, so the power will be applied fully straight away. Now top cover of car can be easily removed by lifting these pins out and can be customized in future if you want to. Well, we have seen enough around the car itself. Now let's go ahead with the performance to see how this car is going to perform. Then we will have an idea that is this for us or not. So let's get into that. Well, all batteries are charged and installed. Let's go ahead with the demonstration. Well, it seems to be a very strong one actually. It can handle the bumps and everything and looks nice as well. I would recommend it, to be honest with you. That would be all. So on that note guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any questions, please use the comment section down below. See ya.